Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change a TikTok username before 30 days. So first, you just have to simply launch your TikTok application and make sure that this application is up to date. Now, this is what it looks like. And if you go to your profile and tap your edit profile, click username, you will see here that you can change your username once every 30 days. Now, imagine this if you accidentally click or change your username and you want to change it back right away. Is there any way or fastest way to do that? So, let's see how this will work. All you have to do is to simply click these three lines at the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Now, you have to scroll down and look for Report a Problem. Tap this one. Now, what you want to do here is to simply go to the search bar and then type or enter a username. Okay, so you have to enter username and then you will see here some options and how to fix issues when it comes to username. So, unable to change username, tap this one. And after you tap this, you will see some instructions here, information about changing your username. So what you want to do next is to simply read the following here as it says it can only be changed once every 30 days. So as you can see, you can change it right away after you change your username. So what you want to do here is to scroll down and simply tap no. So you have to go down and click no. And then once you tap this no, you need to click this need more help. Okay. And then here you have to tell them a feedback. Okay, so you must be very specific when it comes to your problem. Like you just accidentally change your username and you want to change it right away because this one is very important. Okay, so everything is up to you. You can copy this, but you can also use your own words or sentences. Everything is up to you. So as you can see here, you can see these two options below. Okay, camera icon or album icon or recording or video recorder icon. So if you want to show them a proof that you are experiencing this kind of issue and you wanted to change the username right away, so you can just simply import the file from your device. Okay, as easy as that. Then once done, what you want to do is to click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and will tell you the steps in order for you to change your username. So all you have to do is to wait. So you have to check your email address from time to time. So that's how easy it is to change TikTok username before 30 days. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.